Good morning, dear students. I hope all are doing well. Students, today I am going to continue the explanation of chapter 3, Operating Windows. As earlier we have learned about three topics of this chapter. First topic was what is an operating system. Second, categories of an operating system, that are licensed and free operating system. Third topic was different kinds or different types of an operating system like MS Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu. Right? Next, now in this class we will get to know about Windows. Today's topics are what is Windows, and second is understanding Windows 7 desktop. Let us start today's first topic, what is Windows. Windows is the most popularly used operating system. It has been designed by a company called Microsoft. That's why it is also called Microsoft Windows. It is a graphical user interface program because all the applications and programs are represented by pictures or graphics. These pictures or graphics are called icons. You can run or control these icons by using a mouse. Next, features of MS Windows. First feature of MS Windows is Windows is a licensed operating system which occupies around 90% of the total operating system market. It means in 90% of computers we are using Windows as an operating system. Second, it can be single user or multi-user operating system. Students, this operating system can be used by a single user or by a single computer, or it can be used by more than one computers or by more than one users. Third point, it is designed to run more than one programs at a time. At a time you can run more than one programs in your computer, on your computer. And the fourth point, or students, third and fourth points are almost related to each other. Fourth point is it can do multiple tasks at the same time. This feature of Windows is called as multitasking. Students, I'll explain this point with an example. If we are doing something in paint program, if we are drawing something, then side by side we can also play the music. This is called multitasking. Last point, it provides the what you see is what you get. That is called visible environment. It means that you see on the monitor will appear in the same way when you print it on a paper. Let me explain with an example. If you made some drawings and you want that drawing in printing form, on the paper it will be same as it is visible on computer. Next topic is understanding Windows 7 desktop. Windows desktop is displayed when you boot your PC with Windows 7 operating system. Students, when you start your PC with Windows 7 operating system, then the very first screen is called desktop. It is the workspace of your screen with several icons on the left side. You can see in this picture there are several icons on the left side of your window, your desktop, and a bar at the bottom with a start button and a clock, and bar at the bottom which is called taskbar. Info, there are different versions of MS Windows operating system, and the latest version of MS Windows is Windows 10. Windows 10 is a familiar and easy to use and has lots of similarities with Windows 7. It is almost similar to Windows 7. Windows 10 was released on 29 July 2015. Windows 10 is available a free upgrade from Microsoft through internet for the first year for licensed user with Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. Students, Windows 10 is free available through internet only for those who are using licensed Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. Understanding taskbar. The taskbar is a small blue bar that runs across the bottom of the desktop. As you can see in previous picture, at the bottom of desktop you can see there is a bar that is called taskbar. It is split into a number of different areas around start button, quick launch icons, a notification area and a clock. It is divided into different areas around start button. As you can see in this picture at the below of this paragraph, around start button, At the right side of start button you can see quick launch icons, and at the right side of quick launch icons you can see notification area, and very right side you can see clock. Start button. The start button is probably the most important area of the taskbar, known as the key to use window. The start button contains all the programs and all the softwares that you have installed on your computer. You can access all the software from start button. Quick launch icon. Look at the icon to the right of the start button. These are quick launch icons. It means you can quickly activate any of the program you see there. You can quickly access, quickly run these programs by clicking on these icons. Notification area, as it is clear with its name, the notification area is the part of the taskbar where you can view programs and tasks that are running in the background, as well as you see important messages about updating your computer's operating system. You get the notification, all the notifications in notification area. Now at the right side of notification area you can see clock. Clock shows time and date, current time and date. Thank you students. Dear students, all the topics that have done, including today's topics also, you have to read carefully these topics by listening audio and by watching today's video. If you have some queries regarding all these topics, you have to note down that queries and ask these queries on Google Meet. Thank you very much.